Hello and welcome to another episode of WakeEd Wednesdays. I'm Tim Lavallee, the Vice President of Policy and Research at WakeEd Partnership. In this episode, we're going to discuss K-3 class size. An agreement was reached recently in the North Carolina General Assembly that will phase in class size reductions over a period of years and at the same time increase the amount of spending for program enhancement teachers. This is an important change to the legislation which previously had set these class size limits to go into effect with the 2018-19 school year. We're grateful to the General Assembly for their phase-in plan for class size reduction as well as for funding program enhancement teachers who were previously paid with teacher allotments. We also are very grateful for the fact that the General Assembly will be eliminating the waiting list for public pre-kindergarten classes as well. However, there is a significant need to find a place to put the students in the number of new classes that will be needed. By Wake County Schools estimates, there are about almost 600 new classrooms that will be needed by 2022 based on current projections. That's equivalent to about 15 elementary schools, and the school system has about 6 elementary schools planned for construction between now and then. Some might ask, well, why don't they just bring trailers in? Trailers are an option. They're an expensive option as well because it costs about $1 million per trailer to get it to the school site and to get it ready for students to use. Also, not every school in Wake County has a site that can support trailers as well. Because of these space needs, WakeEd Partnership is asking the public and businesses to get behind 2 school construction bonds. One is a construction bond just for Wake County Public Schools, so should be on the ballot this November, and another is a statewide K-12 school construction bond that will also be on the ballot. These 2 bonds together will help Wake County continue to pay for school construction to meet the current needs and future needs of the students in Wake County Public Schools. In the comments below, leave us your opinion on the K-3 class size issue. See you in the next episode.